Hello and welcome to a special episode of We the People, where we continue an open conversation about a perceived stigma that we've been talking about on NDTV for the last few weeks: infertility. Did you know that infertility affects approximately 15% of Indian couples? Yet, because of that stigma and a lack of awareness of what causes infertility, thousands suffer silently and they don't seek help. For infertility to be treated, we have to first understand how prevalent it is, why it occurs, and what we can do to resolve it. Dr. Katyar, is it normally the stereotype, is that the myth, the perception that, is usually the woman who's to blame, ki she is infertile, she's, I hate to use that word, barren, she's the one who's not able to propagate the family name. But it could often be, very well, it just could be a problem, not a problem, the man that needs to be given treatment.
So yes, definitely, because what we have so far discussed and understood is that so far the idea is that the onus of getting pregnant and delivering is on the woman.
Yeah.
So therefore, the society has associated fertility with a woman or infertility with a woman, and this brings in a lot of societal pressure
Yes.
on the woman, because every time she is questioned as to when she is going to start planning or to have a
Yeah.
baby, and the man somehow escapes this questionnaire that the society is putting across
Yeah.
to the woman all the time. So therefore, these are the problems, and we see women who have been investigated for years at times, and no investigation for the male comes across. So therefore, we know that
Yeah.
there is a big taboo which is associated with infertility, and especially with the thought or the societal norm that only the woman is responsible.
Yeah. Yeah.
So therefore, it is very important to raise awareness that it is not just a woman's problem. And these taboos that the woman only can be barren
Yeah.
is not true. They have to be aware that the man is equally responsible for bringing a child in the world, and therefore is equally responsible for the so-called barrenness in a woman, because it is up to 1/3 of cases of infertility, the
Yeah.
male, the sole cause is in a man.